Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an oxygen bar in Roblox Studio. We'll begin by setting up the foundational user interface elements. First, open Roblox Studio and insert a screen GUI into Starter GUI. This will be the container for our oxygen bar. Next, add a frame inside the screen GUI to serve as the background for your bar. Position it clearly on the screen, perhaps in the top left corner, with a size of about 200 by 30 pixels. This initial setup is crucial for the visual display. Now let's design the visual appearance of your oxygen bar. Inside the main frame, insert another frame to represent the actual oxygen level. Name this inner frame oxygen level. Adjust its background color to a vibrant blue or green, making it easily distinguishable. Set its initial size to match the outer frame, indicating full oxygen. You can also add a text label to display the current oxygen percentage, perhaps positioned above the bar. Ensure all UI elements have appropriate anchor point and position properties for consistent scaling across devices. Next, we'll implement the core logic for oxygen depletion. Insert a local script into your screen GUI. This script will manage the oxygen level for each player. Define a variable for the maximum oxygen, perhaps 100 units, and another for the current oxygen. Use a while true do loop with a wait function, maybe every 1 second, to gradually decrease the current oxygen. Crucially, add a check to ensure oxygen does not drop below 0. If it reaches 0, you might trigger a player's death or a warning. Finally, let's connect the logic to the visuals and allow for regeneration. Within your local script, update the size property of the oxygen level frame to visually reflect the current oxygen percentage. For example, if oxygen is 50%, the bar's X scale should be 0.5. To regenerate oxygen, you could create a part in the workspace that, when touched, increases the player's oxygen back to 100. Add a sound effect for both depletion and regeneration to enhance the player experience. This completes your functional oxygen bar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.